Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to show you a walk around, startup, and a drive video of this gorgeous 1966 Ford Fairlane GTA Convertible. Now, this car has been completely rotisserie restored. It is original red car with red interior. I bought a lot of cars, and I will tell you, I've driven this car 3 times the past 3 weekends, and I absolutely love this car. It is an S-Code 390 car. The gentleman told me it is the original engine. I did not look up the codes on it, or the date codes on it, but he said it was the original engine. So we're going off what he says. It is a built 390. It has aluminum heads. It has fuel injection. I drove this car last weekend with my son, and top down, you want to talk about a spectacular car. The car handles and corners like it's on rails. Figure of speech, of course. All new suspension underneath this car. Sounds great, looks great. The paint, body, and interior in this car are second to none. The white convertible top's in excellent shape. Style steel wheels, new tires. This car had a really good home. I bought it from a gentleman I know. This is a real quality car. Aluminum heads. Hooker Super Comp long tubes, Phytech fuel injection, power brakes. You can check out the paint. The paint is just gorgeous. Look at the body lines. The car is painted body color underneath. It's painted red the bottom side. Dual exhaust. Long tubes. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill car. I mean, this is a very high quality, highly restored car. No bubbles, no blisters. Factory buckets, console. All the glass is in really good shape on the car. All the chrome is in excellent shape on this car. Windows down. I put the top up. I took pictures with the top down, then I took pictures with the top up. Sometimes I have to bring them in with the top down, and then people are like, hey, can you take a picture with the top up? So I did that. I can snap the boot back on it. Just a beautiful car. The boot fits really nice. say the interior's in very, very nice shape. The seats are super comfortable. Door jambs, dash pad. Also has a stereo inside the glove box there. Sound system in this car is really nice too. It sounds great. Does have the Bluetooth capability, so you can hook your phone up to it. My son and I were cruising down the road and listening to some tunes. He seems to always want to pick the music. Most of the time he picks stuff that I like too, so that's all right. Sorry, I'm taking the time to button this boot down so you can take a look at it. Get the full effect. There's some of these cars advertised out there for sale. Currently, and I'm not just saying this because it's ours here at Kinion Classics, but currently I don't think there's a better 66 Fairlane GTA Convertible on the market. I know I seen one advertised that it was a red car, but it's got a 347 small block in it. It's not a 390S code. Jump in, I'll fire it up here for you. Nice Fairlane floor mats. It does have some rubber mats underneath there. These are what the gentleman said he used for the car shows. I usually wait for that fuel pump to kick off and then hit the key. Horn, wiper, radio. It works. Stations are hard to tune in here. Bright headlight indicator. This is just a sweet car. Sounds great, runs great, looks great. $79,900 what I'm pricing the car at. This is a no excuse, no BS car. They do have a vacuum pump in the trunk because you can tell it's got a little bit of a cam in it. And the gentleman said that, oh, the brakes work great. He said, but he just liked it to have a little bit more vacuum, so they put a vacuum pump on it. So, I mean, the car was really built right, put together right. And it sure shows when you look at the car, you drive the car, you hear it run, just everything about it is just awesome. KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty inventory every day. So if this car trips your trigger, let me know. It just makes you smile when you drive this car. I mean, it just top down, nice summer day, wind blowing through your hair. Just literally makes you smile. I'll get out and walk around it here with you quick, and then we'll conclude our video here in a second. I'm sorry I took a little bit longer on this video, but I mean, this is not your average run-of-the-mill car, so I wanted to make sure I spent a little extra time on it for you folks. Just remember something, good things aren't cheap, and cheap things usually aren't good, so that's why this car is priced the way it is. If I gave you the car for free, if you found a car like this and I gave it to you for free, I don't think you'd ever be able to make it look like this for $79,900. Gas gauge works perfect too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already, and for those of you who have, I really appreciate you watching our videos. Have a great afternoon.